Hello friends, this is the mobile communications. The mobile communications is the cellular system overviews. Here the cellular system overview, the base transceiver systems, the connect, the MS, and also base transceiver system is connect the mobile telecommunications switching office. Or this mobile telecommunication switching office is connected to the base transceiver station, or base transceiver systems is connected to the another mobile phones, or this mobile telecommunication switching office is connected to the public telecommunication switching network. Yes, so this is the overview of the cellular system. Cellular system in terms the base station. Basically, the base station has the two parts. They are the BTS, base transceiver system, or they are the base station controller. Here also include the antenna, controller, and number of receivers. Here the BSC, base station controller, the controller multiple BTS, the base transceiver systems, consist of the essential controls and protocols intelligence entries. Function of BSC perform the radio resources management. The performance radio resource management means they are the assign the release the frequency and time slot for all mobile stations in this area, and also relocations of the frequency among the cells, and also hand over the protocols in execute here. Another function is the time and frequency synchronization signal to the BTC, base transceiver system. Also time delay measurements and notification of MS to BTS, and power management of BTS and MS. So here the BSC. Then next is the BTS. BTS means base transceiver system, the one per cell, consist of the high speed transmission and receiver. Function of BTS provide the two channels, signaling and data channel, message scheduling and random access detections, and also perform the error predictions codings for the radio channels. And next is the mobile telecommunication switching office, the MTO, the connect the calls between the mobile units. So here also known name is the MSC, mobile switching center. The switching nodes of allocation of the radio resources and mobility subscribe. This work of the MSC. For MSC is also verify the registrations. Here are the two type of channels available between the mobile unit and BS. The control channel. The control channel means they are the use the exchange the information having to the with setting up the maintaining the calls. Second channel is the traffic channel, the carrying the voice or data connection between the users. The cellular system developed to provide mobile telephone access anytime, anywhere. The system architecture, a base station provide the coverage to the user on mobile phone within the coverage area. Users outside the coverage area receive and transmit the signal with too low amplitude for the reliable communication. User within the coverage area transmit and receive the signal from the base station. The base station itself is connected to the wired telephone network. Here the example, this base station, The base station broadcast the signals in these coverage areas. There are the different MS all connected to the base stations. This green part is so the coverage area. This also known as the cells. Here the one and only one high power base station with the all the user is the communicate, or these base stations is connect to the wired connection to the PSTN line. Sorry, they are the MSC, or MSC is connect to the PSTN line. The cellular concepts, the multiple low power base station, the service and mobile user within their coverage area, and also they are the handoff user to neighboring base station as user is the move together base station teslet the system is the coverage area. So here the base stations has coverage area, another base station is also there the coverage area, the third base stations has the coverage area. So they are the coverage area is the overlapping, or in this coverage area the different MS. In case this MS move from this to this direction, so there the some tower is the change. So some information is the exchange between the tower. So this is the concept of the handoff. Okay. So here the cellular concept. Thus, instead of the one base station converting the entire city, covering the entire city, the city was broken into the cells in shorter coverage area. That each of this smaller coverage area, they own the low power transmission. The city has area is divided in the some small area. The small area has some low power base stations. So benefit the number of users they can use, the number of users also is increase, and there are easy connectivity facilities they available. So this is the concept, and also frequency reuse concept they can use. The user phones in one cell communicate with the base station in that cell. The principle of the cellular, the small cell texelate overall coverage area, user handoff as they move from one cell to the another cell, and also frequency reuse. Texelate, since the some group of small region texelate a larger regions if they cover the larger regions without any gap or overlap. So there are only 3 regular polygons that texelate as given. So there are 3 regular polygons that always texelate in the equilateral triangles, square and regular hexagons. The hexagon in the maximum area is the covered, and theoretical very easy to explain the cover the area. The circular coverage area, the in this figure the base station, the tower is the transmit the signal in this coverage area. All mobile phones has a strong signal outside the cells. This notes this mobile phone has a weak signals. Okay, so this circular does not texelate. Thus, ideally base station have identical circular coverage area. Problems: circle do not texelate. The most circular of the regular polygons that texelate in the hexagons. They started using the hexagon to represent the coverage area of the base station in the cell. Here the different cells with hexagonal coverage area in cellular network. Here the some base stations or some hexagon is the connected to each other one by one, so there the maximum area is the covered. The since network resemble cells from a honeycombs, the name cellular was used to describe the resulting mobile telephone network. Cellular system basic idea: single hub wireless connectivity, space divided into the cells. A base station is responsible for the communication with the host in the cells. Mobile host can the changes cell while the communicating. Handoff occurs when a mobile host start communication via a new base station. Factors are determine the cell size, number of user to be supports, and multiplexing transmission technology. Similar concept. The base station important space division multiplexing. The clusterings are using mobile station communication only via the base stations. Some FDM, TDM, CDM may be used within the cells. A demand increase, more channel are needed. The number of base stations are the increase. Transmitter powers are decreased, corresponding to avoid the interference. The cellular system architectures. Each cell is the several by the base stations. Each base station is connected to the mobile switching center. Each MSC is connected to the MSC and PST line. So here the MSC is connected to the base station. Our base stations is connected to the MS. The MSCs has some HLR, VLR. HLR means home location register, or VLR means the visitor location registers. And another MSCs also have the registers HLR, VLR, or this MSC is connected to the another base stations. Next is the handoff. Base station instead handoff occurs if signal level of mobile fall down threshold, increase the load on base station. Monitoring the signal level of each mobile, determine target base station of handoff. Second, they are the mobile assist. Each base station periodically transmit the beacons. The second point, the mobile on hearing the stronger beacons from the new base station instead the handoff. In case they are the one mobile phone has received the 2 tower signals. That time which tower has a strong signal received by the base station, the connectivity is established. Inter systems, the mobile phone occurs area controlled by the different MSCs. The handle the similar to mobile assistant cases with the additional HLR, VLR effort. A user is the transmitting and receiving the signals from given the base station. Say, assume the user move from the coverage area to one base station to coverage area of the second base station. Here some explain with the diagram. Here the base station 1, this the mobile phone in this coverage area. This mobile phone, mobile user move from this to this direction. This to this direction. To the connectivity, this points is the 0. The both the tower. That time the mobile phones not receive the connectivity in the both the towers, they are disconnected. Or one possibility, that time the mobile phone has the equally signal are received. That time the call is the drop. the user change the position. The one tower has the weak signal or another tower is the strong signal. That time the tower has some strong signal, the mobile phone is the connect to this phone, this tower. Okay, here this is the tower, the base station. The near the tower, the MS is the signal strength is very high. The MS move from this base station to far away, the signal strength they are the decrease. And same, the base station is the here. The signal strength is high in this position, and the signal strength they are the decrease according to distance wise. So here, this point to these points, the MS is the receive the tower of the both the tower, receive the signal of the both the tower. So they are the handoff region, they are the start from this point to this point. In handoff regions, the MS is the receive the both the base station connect signals, but that signal has the strong signal. The MS is the connected the which tower, that towers. Okay, the parameters to affect the handoff, the cells blocking the probabilities, the probabilities of new cells being blocked, yeah, cell drop the probabilities, that probability that the cell is the terminate the due to the handoffs, the called completion probability, the probability that and the admitted the cell into the drop before the terminate, the unsuccessful handoffs. So there are some parameters to affect the handoff regions. Handoff blocking probability, the probability that handoff cannot be successful completed, the handoff probabilities, the probability that handoff occurs before the call terminate, rate of handoff, number of handoffs per unit times, the interruptions duration, the means the duration of time during the handoff which mobile phone not connected to either base stations, handoff delay, the distance is also factors. There are the many regions to affect the handoff regions, the number of users, the some connectivity problems, there are some call drops, here some they are the base station not working proper. There are the some parameter to affect the handoff regions. Basically here the handoff, there are the two types of the handoff. The hard handoff, the hard handoff means the actual break the connectivity while switching from one base station to another base station. Means the MS is connect to the one tower and disconnect to the another tower or MS in the handoff regions. So this is the hard handoff. Is known as the break before the make. Second, soft handoff. The soft handoff, at least one of the link is the kept when radio signal are the added or removed the base station. Soft handoff adopt the make before the break. The one at a time the MS is connect the two tower. That time the handoff is the soft handoff. The frequency reuse concept they can use. The extensively one important points in the frequency reuse in cellular phone system. The extensive frequency reuse allow for many users to be supported at the same time. Total spectrum allocated to the service provider is broken into the smaller bands. A cell is assigned one of these bands. This means all communications in the cell occurs over this frequency only. Neighboring cells are assigned the different frequency band. Neighboring cells not allow the same frequency. They are the different frequencies are using. This ensure that the nearby the transmission do not interference with each other. The same frequency band in the use the another cell that very far away, very long distance, they can use the same frequency. The larger distance, the limit the interference caused by the this co-frequency cells. More and frequency use the bit rate. So here the some example. They are the pink colors or some yellow colors. Some are the distance, not at two frequency, the same frequency are using. The some example are the pink colors. You want the this hexagonals here the base station, the same frequency not use the nearby. This frequency also is here, the far away. This also here use, and this also use, and this the very far use the frequency. Here the some cellular network, the base stations is connected to the MSCs, or MSC is connected to the PSTN line, or some other base station connected to another MSCs, some other base station connected to another MSC. All MSC is connected to the gateway MSC, or gateway MSC is connected to the public switching telephone networks. Okay, the cellular network. Here the call to cell call, in case the one CG phone, CG users, the first time to connect the MS, so here the first is the registration request. In case this phone is not registered, so the first the call the phones, the MSC is the verified, BS is sent the request to MS is the verified the phone, then after the allowing for the communications. Okay. In case second position, in roaming, here the MH in Maharashtra phone, or they are the MH is the Maharashtra MSC, or they are the CG phone, it go in the Maharashtra area. So here the MS, CGMS, you connect this tower. The first the call here, the base station first verify the address, our MSC. This is not fine to say forward the message, and our MSC the MSC. The MSC is forward the through the wired network to the this CG state MSC, or the CG MSC is the verified, check from the local registry, location registry register, and verified, the verified return the message, and they allow to MSC in generate to new address here, or to allow to assign the frequency, or the base station inform to this phone to a communication is the established to start the communication. This is the call setup. Okay. Here the one concept is roaming. In roaming, when the SID, service provider IDs of the phones does not match the SID of the nearest base station, the phone known it's roaming. The MSC of the system that the phone is roaming in control the MSC of the phone home systems. The home MSC verified the phone wallet pay users to the local MSC. So this concept are using the some roaming, or then after the communication start to CG phone to MH phone. Here the GSM system architectures. Here the some MSCs. MSCs connect to the BSC, or BSC is the connect to the BTCA based transceiver system. BTCs connect to the MSCs, or all MSCs have the some four type of register: EIR, equipment identification register; AUC, the authentication centers; HLR, home location register, or visitor location register. All MSCs has the four type of register, or all MSCs connect to the gateway MSC, or gateway MSCs connect to the PSTN line or ISDN line. So this type of these MSCs is connect to another also BSC, or BSC also connect to another BTC, or this BTC connected to another MS. So these are system architectures. So here the HLR used for the home users. In case this user are registered in this MSC, so they are all information stored in the HLR. The EIR, the equipment identification register, this MS has the what is the EMI number, what is the SIM number, what is the mobile number. This all the information is related to store in this EIR, the equipment identification. The authentication register means here the which type of information. There the user is the wallet, the validity period, the user is the active, inactives. This type of information stored in the authentication register. Or visitor location register means this user not registered this MSC. Here the user come from the another MSC. That information stored this VLR. So this is the visitor location register. Okay. Here the GSM call routings. Here the some MS is connected to the one BTC, BTC connect to the BSCs, BSCs connect to MSCs, or MSCs connect to the verify the data from the HLR or VLR. They are authorized to the calling. Okay. So here the some BTC. Here BTC is the one connect to the mobile phones. This the BTC is the signal BSC, BSC is the signal and MSC, MSC is the verified. The users have verified, then after the data is to go to the connect the calls. So this type of routing, the different modes. The here routing is the algorithm used. They choose the shortest path and free path. Then after they are the calling start. So this process is the very fastly, quickly the complete. Okay. So here the cluster size. Here the cluster size is the 7. Means 7 means this. There are the different hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7s. There are the 6 clusters, the 6 clusters. Okay. So they are the reuse frequency pattern. The cluster size is the 7s. The problems, in case some one base stations not properly use the frequency reuse concept, so there are the some lot of problems. So there are the some clustering size is the smaller, or clustering size depend are using the some frequency reuse concept. And problem some small clusters, the some interference cells and closer then to the total interference, and power will be the larger. The high interference power is the quality of the speed signals, the detections. The some in towers, the some antennas are used. The 360 antenna also used, 120 degree also. The signal is the broadcast in the 360 degrees. There are the 90 degree antenna also. They are the to 120 degree. The cover the all arounds. Okay, thank you.